Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss three-dimensional state of stresses in soil mass from our second chapter, shear strength. In general, the soil mass is subjected to a three-dimensional stress system. At every point in a stressed body, there are three planes on which shear stresses are zero. These planes are known as principal planes. The plane with maximum compressive stress, sigma 1, is called the major principal plane, and the one with the minimum compressive stress, that is sigma 3, as minor principal plane. The third principal plane is subjected to a stress that is intermediate between sigma 1 and sigma 3 and is known as the intermediate principal plane. However, in many soil engineering problems, the stress in the third direction are not relevant and the stress system is simplified as two-dimensional. The plane strain conditions are generally assumed, in which the strain in the third direction, that is longitudinal direction, is zero. For example, strip footing of long retaining wall. In soil engineering, compressive stresses are taken as positive and tensile stresses are taken as negative. As soil is subjected to compressive stress, so in order to avoid negative signs, compressive stress is taken as positive. Thank you.